In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play parkour in Counter-Strike 2. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna show what I believe is the easiest method to download and play parkour-related maps in Counter-Strike 2. You will be able to play KZ, Surf, and everything related to parkour, jumping, and movement. So all that you have to do is go over to Play, and instead of choosing matchmaking, go over to Workshop Maps. Now, the method that I'm going to show you here, as the name suggests, is going to be through the workshop. I believe this is the easiest way to set up and play these movement-related maps. So, all that you have to do here is click Visit Workshop and a new window will open. You can also go over to your Steam library and I'll access the workshop from there. You can now look for anything related to parkour or specific game modes. So, for example, like I mentioned, you can look for speedrun, jump, surf, KZ, whatever you wish. A lot of these maps are going to be optimized and they are ready to work with CS2 with no setup necessary. So I'm going to show you a lot of gameplay footage that I recorded over these maps. Keep in mind that I'm not the best at surfing and movement in general. This is just a demonstration that these maps work and it is extremely easy to download and play. You don't have to go through the trouble of looking for custom servers, downloading external maps and moving them inside of the game folders. All that you have to do is go over to the workshop and choose any map that is compatible with CS2. It is extremely simple and by far the easiest way to experience casual jump maps, casual KZ maps, surf maps, and so on. All of the maps should have the setup already done, so all of the console commands, all of the movement will be adjusted, and you don't have to do anything else. So just make sure that you choose them from the workshop and you will be able to start playing right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to play parkour in CS2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.